To our viewers, well, went to my local J car and they had didn't have any batteries for me yet, but they had a UPS. Completely dead as a faggot. Yeah, it doesn't, completely dead. Nothing happens when you plug it in at all. So I'll check fuses, give it a good tap. Just got the batteries down to 8.3 volts. Possibly dropped a cell or two. Maybe that's why it's probably shut off because it's safety, but doesn't do anything with the other battery in it either, so we'll see what happens. It might have, this is actually what brand is this? Netsys PE by Socomec. Looks kind of like it's a smart UPS. It's got like interface for the network and USB in it, so if I can actually get this thing working, plug it in my computer, I might actually make good use of this. Be great to run a router. They didn't even put MOVs on this board here to protect, but it has got opto couplers anyway, so I wouldn't need MOVs. You've got opto couplers to protect your PC, so if this gets a big kick up the arse of lightning, or from a PFC cat back for example, these here is where it stops. Here onwards my computer would be safe, for example. So good design. Normally with a UPS you have big capacitors that have to be discharged prior to touching anything. This one's a little different. The battery goes in there, these transistors switch to 50 Hz to convert the DC to AC, which drives that transformer to get the 240 volt out of its secondary, which I've had it play with the UPS transformer before I got in the storage, which I've used as a ride it the other way to get me a high current, low voltage transformer. There's all quality capacitors on here. Jamaican, high temperature, no voltages, 3 watt resistors, 0.1 ohms. I wonder if they're links. Okay, I might check those. I wonder if any of those have got an open circuit. Possibly. Well, get me multimeter on there. We'll see what happens. Just put the camera down for a second. I'll just quickly check these resistors if they're actually aiming up or not. Or aiming down, I should say. In circuit is 0.4 ohms. That one is okay. That one's good. Yeah, both good. Both those resistors are good. Okay, well, I wonder if this thing detects a fact battery and just turns off completely. Well, that's probably what killed it, but it's an Italian company but made in China. It's all Chinesium in this UPS. If I could fix it, a good bonus. But if I can't, well, I got another UPS transformer to play with. I would like, they're going to hold up more UPSs for me now. I told them, yeah, I might as well give me some UPSs too, so when I get UPSs in more often, I don't very often, but when I do, I've got priority, so I'm going to get some UPSs more often, which is good. They're actually quite handy. Yeah, it's actually charging alright. Okay, that's just on power supply mode on that. 13.6 volts going to that battery. Main, it's 3 SLA battery. 7 amp hours, so it's only at 350 watt UPS. Great for my router actually. If the power ever goes off, I've got this to keep my router, which keeps my Wi-Fi up. I could plug this into my boombox and tape off the radio during the power outage, little things like that. Hopefully I can get some bigger ones like APC UPSs, but everyone just buys these cheaper ones. Eaton and Quebec brands. I do like the APC brand UPSs, they're so easily serviceable. So worst case scenario, this chip could be dead, but I can't find anything that's physically broken or physically burnt or anything. Yeah. It sucks if it's completely stuffed. Be a bonus if I can fix it. Opto couplers on there. You got your here. This is your high voltage stuff here on this part of the board. So your 240 volt part is in here. Relays that turn on and off when the power goes on and off, but it's not powering up at all. It's completely dead, and I've got nothing on the display. Nothing comes up on the display, not even a chirp or a beep. So who knows? I'll just quickly chuck this battery back in and see if it does any difference. works. Okay, just gave the battery a bit of a top up with a charger and it works now. Hold it in. Hey, hey. Huh. Bonus! I think it's fixed. Alright, well, that's not going to do shit to charge the battery. Let's just get the battery recovering first. This thing might be fine. Awesome! Bobby Dazzler. Alright. I'll come back later on tonight and we'll check it again. Just the battery. Awesome! Oh, there's out there anyway. Oh well, I keep it in mind. I'll come back next time I get a chance and buy a battery. Looks like very good. Alright, anyway, that's winner chicken dinner. Thanks for watching.